To everybody who subscribes to my channel and everything, sorry it's been a minute. Been really busy. I got a new job. I'm a paintless dent repair guy now, and yeah, so a bunch of tools. Now, I'm no longer Mr. Car Audio. There's my car audio toolbox. I was away for 7 weeks to go do this training for paintless dent removal. So to fast forward, there's Terry's 110, and we're going to tear into it today. I did get the milk carton cut off the back there. Hit the school and buffed it and did a little PDR to it and got some of the bigger dents that were in it out. And I'm going to cream it. Got some leftover cream right there. Boom. So, I hate tacos, said no Juan ever. Conditioner in the shop, but it's not very good. I bought it off some crackheads, and I shouldn't have, but it's one of those things, you show up, you got the money, and you might as well just do it or whatever.
Later anyways, Joe, and I don't care about not being invited back on the show. Everybody asks for it. That isn't what matters to me. It's that they got to you, and they've gotten to all these other people that think, oh, put Alex Jones down. That's
That's in good shape.
So I knew nothing.
Good shape. Alright, this is first look. And, you know, she's pretty carboned, so she was probably smoking pretty good, so I'm figuring rings. Yeah, that's a lot of carbon. She was probably smoking pretty hard. But, yeah, I think we're just going to put rings in it and see if the rings ain't even snapped in it, you know. So I am correct. It has never been cracked, and it is a 52 millimeter piston. So she's stock. She's got that little dot right there, and I think that's what, you know, that indicates that they're stock. If I remember from the original Honda pistons, which I'm sure that is. I'm sure it looks like it. Yep. So I've got no doubt that that's original rings and the whole nine from 1979, and so we'll get some rings ordered because, you know, really those rings don't look bad. Well, I haven't gotten one off to see how much taper. Yeah, there's a little difference. Okay, so rings it is. Rings it is, and I'll own it here. Well, there we are. We're back on some projects. We'll get Terry's 110 up and running and do a ride before the summer ends, because I haven't even had time to go ride. The Big Red needs love. I need to still put differential bearings in it. So yeah, Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Something's done. All right, catch you on the next time.